One of our local strays had kitties in our barn. We started out with 3. A little bit later, there were 4. Mama wasn't taking care of them very well, and we didn't see them being fed a lot. We decided to bring them home and hand feed the babies. They adapted well and took to the hand feeding. They adjusted well to the occasional cat nap. Pretty soon it was time to come out and play. Not a problem finding a toy. There's always a big kitty around as well. And then there's the kitty playground. Enough toys to keep any baby kitty busy. And there's new experiences here too. They all have blue eyes. We're hoping to find some good homes for these little guys. And we'll do some updates here as time goes on as far as how these kitties are doing. Thanks for watching.